we bring you the answers to all your questions. Be better than others. Enjoy the benefits of knowledge. Accept the answers from us.
This Galaxy S11 does not have a 3.5mm headphone jack, which is a change from the S10, which was the last Samsung flagship to have a 3.5mm jack. The Galaxy S11 is said to measure 161.9 by 73.7 by 7.8 millimeters.
Our mission is to provide accurate answers. We think without knowledge, it is impossible to live a balanced life. Be competent, be skillful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification.